moment they're playing against it. It is bent towards goal. Karuru, whether he connected or not, that ball was blocked en route to goal.
Now you see why he was moved more into the central mid of the park, is because the runs that he makes and the shot that he possesses, Grant, gives the defenders a problem, and the goalkeeper unfortunately should have taken that across goal towards the right hand side of the keeper. Maybe would have stood a chance, but the team moving from the left wing in more central park is because of such kinds of runs.
Still searching for his first international goal, Sarupinda. To McClyde Piri and then on to Mocheto. That cross had far too much on it.
Once again, Sarupinda doing so well to just fake to the left hand side, go back to his strong side, and absolutely zips to Nyasulu's face. It's everything that you put on the line when you are defending.
Has assembled his wall, 28-year-old. Requires 4 in red. There's a dash of yellow in amongst the red as well, although that is not allowed anymore. The attacking team can't force your way into the wall. There is the take. And because we're not out there, because we can't feel what the wind is doing, ball cuts out. Malawi have it. Cross comes in, Washington Arubi scampers off his line, trying to come for it. I think the wind took it away from him. Quite again for Sanubi. Good driving run. Gets the ball back. Oh, brilliant. Masterfully done by Malawi, and Khuda Muyaba is the man to stick it away.
Malawi.
They're up and running in 2021, and Zimbabwe's woes continue.
Really, we see that ball again from the captain, Sanudi, just placing it in the middle of the park, and Nyamba. We see that ball again from the captain, Sanudi, just placing it in the middle of the park, and Nyamba.
Any kind of joy, including this man on the bench.
The combination between Karuru and Sarupinda has become the one that's gonna unlock Malawi. Look how he runs off the shoulder of the last defense, but doesn't get the shot right with his left hand. This time playing it very well, furthest post, trying to get it.
Beautifully disguised, delicate ball from Ovidi Karuru to find Blessing Sarupinda. Set piece. Cheto swings it in. Not particularly well cleared. And Sarupinda looking to set up Ovidi Karuru.
That he possesses Salumba, and look at the young man again, Mucheto. He didn't know how to handle it, and he's apologizing because now what's it that you need some kind of movement just to bring him down, to calm him, and he took one for the team.
Cuts an intimidating figure, and Mucheto was quick to offer a fist bump as way of apology, which Sulumba sportingly accepted that olive branch. Something from the training ground here, and this one may loop over for corner. I thought it'd take. From Schumacher Kouali, who raced away from the defenders and tucked that past Washington Arubi.
Brilliant moment once again, Grant. You see with the celebration, there's something you and I mentioned in the first half about the back four of Zimbabwe, that they are trying to play a high line and catch Malawi on an offside trap.
Well, just like Khuda Muyaba, Schumacher Kouali scores his first international goal.
And look, Salumba just playing a nippy one just behind the back four, and they were caught with pace by Kouali, who just waited for Arubi to commit himself and just hit that first post with his open left foot, dumbing it to the far post.
So it's fizzed in and it zips up a little awkwardly, and in the end nothing to concern himself with. At the third time of asking, it has been put away. Well, Zimbabwe have clawed one back despite this man's best efforts to keep his clean sheet, and now it is game on at the Isaac Wilson Stadium.
With the pressure being piled up on the defense, look at Gobwe making a brilliant right-hand save, but the ball not cleared. A perfect ball played from Dennis inside the box, but not handled. And Karuru was at hand to try and get the goal and cross far post. And that man who's newly been introduced, Beba, said thank you very much. Saropinda, we've been calling for him.
So a wonderful double save, but nothing he could do. Trio of suitors, and it is Musaka! Oh, brilliant! Absolutely sensational from Musaka. A little touch from Karuru, and the midfielder slammed it into the top corner. Kagobwe was a bystander.
Brilliant once again. Two mistakes that were done in the Malawian. The wall basically broke. Chikoti left the wall. And look at Musaka pouncing it top right of the pole. And they had no chance. The wall is all over. It's dismantled. Kakobwe, he's upset because as a wall,